The seal prevents drywall dust from entering your screw gun's nose piece. There are two seals used, one in the locator and one on the end of the sleeve bearing. They seal around the bit holder and keep dust from entering the clutch. Over time, the seals will wear, which can lead to clutch wear. Replacing the seal is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nose piece. Now I'll remove the bit holder. I'll place it in the vise, gently tighten the vise, and then I can pull the drill away from the bit holder. Now I'll remove the seal from the sleeve bearing. I'll use a small screwdriver to pry it away. Now I can install the new seal. I'll place it onto the sleeve bearing and use a socket to tap it into place. Now I'll separate the locator from the collar. There's a second seal inside the locator. I'll use a pair of internal grasping pliers to remove it. Now I'll install the new seal. I'll use a socket to install it. To get the seal aligned, I'll place a little bit of grease on the end of the socket. The seal will stick to the grease. And now I can place the seal inside the locator. And I'll tap it in place. I'll place the locator through the collar and thread the two together. Now I can reinstall the bit holder. And now I'll reinstall the nose piece. I align the tabs inside the locator with the grooves on the clutch housing. And once aligned, I just press the collar onto the detents. And that's all it takes to install a new seal in your screwdriver. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.